Hello everybody, my name is Amanda Ace and we are here to learn how to earn in LifeWave and just to try and keep things a little bit simple. That's why we're doing it for dummies, so everybody can understand it and I can understand it as well. So we are going to start screen sharing and we will have a question and answer session afterwards. So let me just press all the buttons. All right, stop the sharing in the beginning. Okay, awesome. So we are going to see how you can earn with LifeWave and grow for dummies. And we are going to focus only on the brand partner option, 1, 2, and 3-star manager options. There has been changes, and so that is why I'm including the 3-star manager option in this presentation as well. So let's first quickly do a disclaimer. This is not a full training on the compensation plan. This new compensation plan was released in October 2025, so it's about 8 months. There's been many enhancements since then. We know that this change came in after about 20 years of working in one way. So obviously there's a lot of glitches and things that they want to do it better. And I just really love how David Schmidt, we can trust him. He always wants to do things right and do it better for us. So yes, there's been glitches, but I'm grateful that they are busy working on that, changing that. And so some of the changes came through literally last week or beginning of this week. So I have not taken all of that into account, but we are going to do what we can. All the documentations haven't been updated yet. Some of the back office things are not updated yet. So just take that into account. Nothing is permanent. Nothing is set in stone. Things are changing. And even if you printed 9 ways to earn, it might not be exactly the same because they've made changes and they are busy making changes. So just take that into account. Okay. So if your 9 ways to earn doesn't show exactly the same as I'm saying, just know that is the reason. Okay. So it's important to check your emails, WhatsApp groups, speak to your uplines, take responsibility for your business. If you're on this call, you're a business owner, and it's not up to your upline or whoever to take responsibility for your business. It's up to you to learn what is going on. It's not necessarily the easiest compensation plan at this stage. We know that, but you are the business owner who want to earn money. Your uplines are there. We want to help. My uplines want to help. I also know basically as much as you know, probably, but it's up to you to ask. There's no dumb questions. The person who doesn't ask, that's the dumb person, not the one who asks. Okay, so just feel free. Afterwards, we can ask many questions and we'll figure it out together. Okay, so the focus for today is on the income potential of the new brand partner reaching 1, 2, and 3-star manager. I'm just going to pretend that I'm the new brand partner. So I'm going to say I just started and I am going to see how I can earn money. Okay, with LifeWave. Right. The amounts are rounded off for easier calculation, so it's not the exact amounts. And we are going to assume just in this example, these examples that we are using, that every person will order 1 X39 and 1 Eon. And now, of course, we know it could be Eon or IceWave or whatever. It's just to get the examples of the more expensive patches, the X39 and X49, and then there's all the secondary patches. So if I say Eon, we know we talk about this, all the secondary patches, how their pricing structure works. And we're going to work on an exchange rate of $20. So fortunately, we're not there. It's just nice when we get paid when it's $20, 20 Rand per dollars. But in buying the patches, it's nicer for us when we're on a better exchange rate. Okay, so just be patient. It will become clearer. All right. So I got everybody showing me you've got your 9 ways to earn. If you don't have that, it's going to be complicated. This is really, I have this stuck next to me on my wall because without that you can really get very confused. But if you keep to this, it will help you. Right. So I'm going to use examples of extremes to showcase the possibilities. I'm going to use two examples that represent the opposite ends of the spectrum to explain a certain concept. This is not a business model. This is not saying this is how you should run your business. I'm trying to explain to you the different ways. The biggest question that I usually get is, how much do I earn when I've got preferred customers under me versus how much can I earn if I've got brand partners under me? What is the best way? Should I add people as brand partners? Should I add people under me as preferred customers? That's why I'm using these two really extreme examples to just explain the concepts. So in practice, you should aim for balanced business, and the enhanced compensation plan 2.0 will support you in this, because we now have 9 ways to earn, and we're going to show you some of them today. I'm not going to go into everything, but I'm going to show you some of them, those that are applicable to getting to 3-star manager. Right. So I'm going to be the new person, new brand partner. And we're going to say that I'm going to start on the lowest starting option, which is the starter enrollment kit of $25. That's all I'm doing. I've got the $25. I don't have more money. I want to earn. I want to know, how can I earn? So what am I going to get for my $25? I am going to immediately get an online trading website. So people can join under me and as brand partners, and people can buy from me as customers. I'm going to get a back office. And that is literally, if you've got a business, you need a back office, in a brick and mortar kind of business, you would have a filing cabinet, and you will have files with all your customers, and you have your bookkeeping, and you can see everything. That is your back office. So every person has their own back office where you can see what's going on with your money, with your customers, with your points, with your, where do I get information? That is your back office. Okay. And so in LifeWave, we can earn in 2 ways. We can earn from your customers. And if I say customers, I mean customers and your preferred customers. Always, if you get confused, listen to the words preferred customer. A customer is a customer, whether a preferred customer, but they still, or a preferred customer plus, or a retail customer, they're a customer. It means it's somebody who just wants to buy from you. They're not interested in earning money. They're like going to Pick n Pay, they buy something. They don't want to have, like, let's say you go to Kentucky, to KFC. You want to buy some chicken. You don't want to open your own Kentucky. You want to buy chicken. You don't care where it comes from. You don't care who's the managers. You don't care about anything. You just want to buy something. And that is a customer, preferred customer. And you're going to earn also from brand partners. Those are the 2 type of people that you can earn from. So the important thing is, let's say once again, a KFC, you can start if you want to buy some, if you are a KFC owner, you sell chicken, you immediately earn from the people who buy the chicken from you. Okay. We are not talking about new people opening up other KFCs under you. But if you sell chicken, you can start immediately earning from those people immediately. Right. So there are 9 ways to earn from LifeWave. I'm just going to look at the screen with me. When you have customers under you, you can make retail profit. You can earn from retail profit or customer premiums. And then once you become a manager, 1-star, 2-star, 3-star manager, you get a business launch bonus. And remember, this is for 9 weeks only. We'll go into it just now. But these are the 3 ways that you can earn when you've got customers under you. Retail profit, customer premiums, and business launch bonus. When you've got brand partners joining under you, okay, you can now earn from the product introduction bonus, your level earning bonuses, binary bonuses, and your business launch bonus for the first 9 weeks when you become a manager. Okay, so the next 3 then, plus your business launch bonus, is 1-star, 2-star, 3-star manager. Okay, and now we're not going to talk about the others today, but the mentor matching bonus, breakthrough incentives, and quarterly leadership pool, that comes in when you become 1-star director and higher up. So we're not going to talk about that today. So the first 3 is going to be for earning with customers, and then other 3 plus your business launch bonus is going to be earning from brand partners. Okay, what should you focus on? once again, when I have a new person, they want some patches. Should I make them a customer or should I make them a brand partner? The most important question, and this is something that really drives my business, the way that I run my business, and what makes it easy for me to decide whether somebody should be a customer or brand partner, is the why of your prospect. What does your prospect want? What does that person who say that's sitting in front of you? What do they want? And the only way that you will find out is by asking questions. Don't assume. Don't think, no, this person only wants to buy patches. They will never want to do the business. Or don't assume that everybody that you meet, they're going to be the person who's going to change your life because they're going to run with this business. You might know somebody that's had many network marketing companies, or they know lots of people, or they are interested in health and they've got a gym, and you decide this will be the perfect person who's going to run with this business. You know what? Maybe all they want is to put a patch on their back and don't worry about anything. They just want to feel better. Don't assume what somebody wants. Ask questions and questions and questions, and ask another question until you know what they want. Because if you are going to push people, I think all of us can talk and tell stories about how we just saw this person, they're going to be a brand partner and they know so many people and they're going to run with this business. And in the end, because you push that person, you lose them even as a customer. Don't do that to yourself. Don't do that to somebody else. I hate being pushed into a thing where it's not where I want to be. So do that for the new person. Make sure you know what they want. And it can change. It can change. They can start as a customer and then they love it so much that they can't keep quiet about it and they just want to tell other people. We know about lots of people like that. But meet people where they are and allow them to be where they want to be. Don't push them. Rather be a little bit slower and make sure that you get their heart and that they can trust you and that they know that what advice you are giving them is because that's going to be the best for them, not the best for you. I was speaking to somebody the other day and he was saying, when you get desperate to earn an income, sometimes you push people into a certain direction because you really need the money. But in the end, people pick it up. People will hear your heart and your desperation. Just always try and focus on the question is, what's the best for that person? Not what's the best for me, what's the best for that person. Then you will be successful and you will keep the people and they will stay with you and they will trust you forever. Okay, so customer is a person who just wants to use the patches. They're not interested in the business. Brand partner will be the person. Okay, let's talk about brand partner. Why a brand partner? There's two options. Oopsie. Sorry. Okay, why a brand partner? Could be more than one reason why somebody wants to be a brand partner. It could be only because they want to make use of the amazing savings being a brand partner. So let's say that somebody has got a huge family. They love the advanced option because they can save a lot of money by joining as a brand partner on the advanced option. But they really, really don't want to do the business. They don't want you to tell them, please, so many people, you can tell everybody about that. They don't want it. They just want health for them and their families. That person is a brand, called a brand partner, but they're really just a customer in their heart, okay? But they can join as a brand partner. Maybe they just want to pay once for delivery. Maybe they want to go on the advanced option because they want to get 6 months of patches. They believe in the patches. They're going to do it for 6 months. They don't want deliveries. They don't want 6 months of money going off their account. They don't want that. They just want a lot of patches. Just leave me alone. I want a patch and I want you to support me with the patches. I don't want to do business. So that might be why a person will become a brand partner. Or it could be they want to be a business builder. If they decide they want to be a business builder, they want to do the business, make sure you know when they want to start. What are their goals? What are they willing to do to get there? Because somebody might be they say, yes, I want to do the business, but maybe they're not ready now already. Maybe they only want to start, they only maybe want to use the patches a little while. And then once they're ready, maybe you don't know their situation. Maybe in 3 months' time, they want to run with this business. Make sure you know the person and what they want. Lead them, because that's going to depend on where you're going to join them and how you're going to help them and how you are going to earn from them. Right. So let's just quickly run through this. How do you become a customer? What are the options as customers? You've got a retail customer. They're going to pay full price, $150, or preferred customer who's going to get 30% discount. They're going to have a monthly subscription. That's why they get the discount, because they've got a monthly subscription. Or the preferred customer plus, who is going to get 30% discount as well. And they are going to pay $25 once off every year. And then they are going to get 10 free patches every single month. I'm not going to go into the full detail of that. These people, the preferred customer plus people, they can earn some income. And I'm not going to go into the details of that, but this is not your business builders. Guys, if somebody really wants to earn a proper income, Preferred Customer Plus is not the option for them. They can do it in the beginning until they decide they want to do more, but there are different things that you have to take into account. We're not going to go into that now, but just make sure, remember the word customer. Preferred Customer Plus, it's still a customer. It's not a person who wants to earn, who are serious about earning. All right. Next option is the brand partner option with the different enrollment kits. And so, I'm sure by now you know the different kits, but what I'm going to do afterwards, I'll make this available in a PDF form so you can go through this later on again and easily keep it with you so that you've got all the options. All right, so this is brand partner options. Now the question is, why we are really here is, how will it benefit me? So let's look at with customers. What's important if I've got customers now is that, very important, I can earn from customers without being active. What does it mean to be active? It means I place orders myself under my name. That will keep me active. But so let's say I have never ordered anything, but I've got my friend, she wants to buy from me, and she buys from me, I can immediately earn money, even if I haven't bought a sleeve of X39 or sleeve of Eon or anything even. So that is the quickest way to start earning, is with customers. If you cannot afford to buy your own patches, you can do it with customers. Okay. So what is the value, the advantages and disadvantages of buying with customers? The first one is you're going to get quick cash in your pocket. So let's say my friend buys a X39 from me. I'm going to get $20. It's quick cash. Don't have to do much. Very quick way to earn. This is a short-term vision, and it's not wrong. It's not right or wrong. But this is when you've got a short-term vision. All you really want is you want money in your pocket. And it can go on like that for 20 years, but that's what you're willing to do. Just sell to people and you get money in your pocket. That's fine. The disadvantage of this is you work on your own. So if you don't do anything, nothing happens. There's not going to be new people coming into your business. It's literally what you do. You're going to work on your own. Okay. That's if you work with customers. Now we know that there's the Preferred Customer Plus option, where if your customer refers people to you, they will bring them into your business. As I said, I'm not going to speak about that now. If you want to know, please speak to your sponsor about it, or give me a call or a WhatsApp and we'll talk about that. But basically, you work on your own if you work only with customers. All right. So when you've got customers, you're going to open up 3 ways to earn. So as I said, I will make this available, but basically this is how you're going to earn. The first one is the retail the retail profit. So if you look on your 9 ways to earn, on the number 1 says retail profit, doesn't say very much. Basically, here's the answer. You're going to earn from your own customers. A retail customer, that is the person who pays a lot of money, $150 for the X39, and you're going to get $50 directly. The moment they buy $150, you get $50, and for a secondary patch, you're going to get $15. All right. And if it's a preferred customer, They buy X39. Remember, they pay less. They pay $100. You're going to get $20 for every X39 or X49, and you're going to get $10 for every secondary patch. Easy as that. You buy and sell, buy and sell. That's very clear. Okay. Now remember, there are points allocated to each product. For the X39 and X49, it's 77 points, and for the others, it's 55 points per sleeve. Now, this is where the second way of earning comes in. Look at that, your second way. It says customer premiums. Now, if you have enough customers that you've got between 300 and 600 points, 599, you're going to get an extra 5% on all the points. So you 5% times 77 points or 300 points, 5% times that. That is the amount of dollars that you're going to get. Gets better. Look at this. If you've got 600 to 1,199, you're going to get an extra 10%, and 1,200 plus an extra 20%. Guys, you have to go and work this out. It's a lot of money. It's a lot of money. I don't want to lie now, but I think it's almost like, I think I'm on the 600 to 1,200 on the 10%. I think if somebody buys from me the X39, I get the $20 and I get almost $15 or something like that extra. It's a lot of money. So go and look into it. Take the responsibility. It's a lot of money. If you can get to 20%, if you've got a lot of customers, you can put a lot of money into your pocket. So look into that. Okay. Now, and then the third way that you can earn from customers is with a business launch bonus. That's 9 weeks. If you become a manager or two-star manager in the first 9 weeks of signing up, let's say you didn't do it in the first week that you signed up, for every week that you are a manager, you will get an extra $25. This is an amazing, amazing way to earn, right? This is up to 9 weeks of signing up. And that's why I always say to people, make sure that you know when you become a brand partner, you are ready to run, because you've got 9 weeks to earn a lot of extra money. At the moment, up till the end of July, I think, we've got a fantastic promotion that if somebody becomes a manager, 1-star or 2-star manager, they are not going to get $25, they're going to get $50, a double bonus. And you as the sponsor will get half of that. Okay, so I'm not going to go into the details of that, but that is how you can also, the third way that you can earn the business launch bonus. Then don't forget that you can also qualify for incentive trips. For every person that you join, I think you get 1 point if you get a person joining and start buying an X39. But you get points, and if you've got enough points, you will qualify for the incentive trips. It's an amazing way. So those are the 3 plus a little bit ways to earn with preferred customers or customers. Okay, so let's just look at retail. We are now looking into the money part of it, of customers. So if you've got a retail customer, what is the value of having a retail customer versus having a preferred customer? The first one is, you're going to have a high profit. Remember, you're going to get $50 if somebody buys an X39 from you. So it's high profit, but it's more expensive. It's more expensive for the customer, right? So maybe you won't have many retail customers. Most people that I know don't have many retail customers. Okay. And then because it's more expensive, retaining a monthly customer is more challenging. We want people to use these patches every single month. And why would you want to pay more if you can pay less? So I think all of us just give them the option of preferred customer because it's so amazing. Right. So X39, $150. Don't worry about the points too much. 77 points, you're going to get $50. And with the Eon, it's going to cost them $80. We're not going to go into all the specials that's available. $80, 55 points, you get $15. And so it's going to cost them $230, 132 points, and $65 that you can make from an X39 and an Eon customer. All right. Let's go to the preferred customer and PC and PC Plus. So this is cheaper, 33% discount. They get the loyalty reward. So that is with a normal PC, every 3 or 4 months, they will get 10 free patches. With the PC Plus, every month they will get free patches. So it's easier to retain your customers. That's what we want to do. We want them to buy every single month, get the money in your pocket every single month. Yes, you do a lot of work in the beginning, but you are a good sponsor. You're going to give them good support, and they're going to buy every month. So you're going to get $20 from them and $10. So you're going to get monthly orders, and it's almost like a fixed income. All right. So they're going to pay only $170 now, also still 132 points, and you're going to get $30 every month. Okay. Now, can you become a one-star manager? Because remember, we want to become a one-star manager. Why? Because you're going to get higher incomes. You're going to tap into your downlines, and you'll understand it a little bit later on. And you are going to build a future. Because if you are in this business to build your business, you want to have a long-term vision. All right? You want to build a future. So the question is, becoming a one-star manager, can I do it with only preferred customers? What do you need to become a one-star manager? Now, this is the changes that was released this week. We used to have to do 110 personal volume every month to become a one-star manager. Now you only need 75 points. That's amazing. And QDV is your qualifying downline volume, needs to be 750 points. I'll explain it now. What is QDV? And you can see this. Just want to move something away here. You can see this on in your back office. There is and there's a whole thing that I printed out. And please, if you're serious, print it out, have a look at it, and you can get all the information on there, but you can see it. It's the combined qualifying volume. Remember, when you talk about volume, it's the points that's allocated to each sleeve of patches. It's the combined qualifying downline volume from all the purchases made by you, the sales to your own customers and the brand partners and their customers within your line of sponsorship. Lots of words, but it means everything, because you started this business, everything under you is your qualifying downline volume. Okay? So what do you need to become a one-star manager? 75 points of your personal volume. So, and personal volume is your orders or your preferred customers and customers, okay? 75 points and then 750 points. Don't worry too much. We'll get to that now. Right. Let's put it on like this. So what do you need to become one-star manager? 75 points. It's your own orders, your own retail customers, your own preferred customers. And what's important, don't worry, if you see a V, it's volume, it's the points, okay? It keeps you active and it will build your personal volume to that 75 points. What it just means, it's your points as well as the points of your customers, okay? And then the QDV, your own orders, again, your retail customers, preferred customers, then your brand partners, their own orders, their retail customers, their preferred customers, and all the brand partners under your brand partners. Their orders, their retail customers. So it's literally everybody under you. So you need 75 and 750. Let's see what it means. How do I know how many points do I have? You go onto your back office, and this is an old slide. You go into your back office, and you should have seen these circles, little circles on the first screen. In this case, this person had 154 personal volume. Here it says the minimum that they need is 110. That's going to change now. The minimum you need is 75. This person has 154, and they've got 154 QDV. See there? QDV. So this is where you know how many points you've got. So remember, brand partner needs 75 and 750. Okay. So let's look at example 1. If you've got 6 preferred customers, each ordering an X39 and an Eon, can you become a manager? Right. Look at this. So your orders, they've got X39 and Eon, $30 each. You're going to earn $30 from each one of them. You've got 6 of them, so you're going to earn $180. All right. The points, don't worry too much. Remember, we said the 132 points. You've got 6 of them, so you've got 792 points. All right. Now remember that second one, the customer premiums, where you've got an extra 5 and 10 and 20%. Remember that? Okay. So if you are on 10%, it's when you earn more than 600 points. Oh, it's here. I did put it here. Sorry, your faces were over this. But yeah, if you've got 600 points and more, you're going to get an extra 10%. So how many points have we got? 792. So now the second way of earning is you're qualifying for that. So you're going to get 10% of 792, and that is $79. Okay, so how much are you going to earn from 6 preferred customers, each ordering an X39 and an Eon? You're going to get the $180 plus the $79, okay? And that's going to be $259. Now, I want to say, I'm not sure if it's been updated, my 9 ways to earn. Sorry, no, that's still right. Sorry, we'll get to the next part. Right. So now the question is, do I qualify as a one-star manager? Yes, because I need 75 points of my own. I didn't have anything of my own, remember? But my customers under me was 792. So yes, I definitely did the 75 points. And the QDV of 750, yes, I did that. So now the third way of earning came in, the business launch bonus. Because I became a manager, I'm going to get that $25 for 9 weeks. All right, business launch bonus. All right. Okay, so what's the earning potential? The 6 preferred customers, the $259, the $25, and I worked it out now to 20 Rand per dollar, 5680. Okay, hope that makes sense. If it doesn't make sense, just ask your questions afterwards. All right. So now with brand partners, can I become a one-star manager with a brand partner? What do I need? Important. For a brand partner to be able to earn, you need to be active. Minimum 55 points. 55 points is an Eon. Okay. If you want to do the business, you need to be active. Ideally, everybody wants to patch because you just speak differently if you've got a testimony. You've got excitement. You can't keep quiet. So, but on paper, you need to be active. You need to have at least 55 points per month that you audit yourself. Okay, that's the minimum. Now, remember we're speaking preferred customers or brand partners or both, but let's talk about brand partners now. Why would you want brand partners? There is the negative, not negative, the disadvantage is, let's say like that, it's a slower income path. Okay, it's not so quick like with preferred customers. But this is for the person with long-term vision. This is if you're here to stay, if you want a business that you are not only going to work alone in your business, this is the duplication. Now go back to KFC. Who was that guy? Can't remember his name. Colonel, you know who that guy is? Can't remember now, but anyway.
Colonel
if he
Sanders.
had, thank you, Colonel Sanders. If he had only one KFC, he would have had to work very hard, day and night, and he would have a restricted amount of income that he could have had, no matter how big he made his KFC. He would be restricted with what he could earn. But then he opened it up, and he got lots and lots and lots of people who also opened up KFCs right across the world. And what happened? That guy is so he was so rich. He's one of the biggest businesses in the world, but he didn't do it on his own. If he had to do it on his own, he would not have been there. Okay. So this is where the brand partner option comes in, because duplication comes in. Now it's not only what you can do, it's what the people under you do, the people under them, under them, under them. Interesting, I think he took his recipe to 1,000 places who rejected him before the first person accepted his recipe. My question is, have you and I spoken to 1,000 people who have rejected us yet? I don't think so. Right, something to think about. Right, brand partners. How can we earn? Now we open up 6 more ways to earn. So we're not going to talk, remember, we're not going to talk about the last 3, so we're going to talk about the next one. Product introduction bonus. On your 9 ways to earn, there it tells you how much you can earn. On the starter, If somebody joins with a starter, you will not earn anything, because remember, what is a pyramid scheme? A pyramid scheme is illegal. And a pyramid scheme is when you get paid to join people into your business, but there's no products moving, nothing is being sold. That is invalid. That's a pyramid scheme. So that's why you will not be paid if somebody joins as a brand partner with a $25 option, because they have not bought anything. There was no business that happened. Okay, so, but once you are on the core option, I'm just reading it from you here, you're going to get $35. If somebody joins under advanced, you're going to get $75, advanced plus $165, and a premium option, $405. So if you want to know, this is the place to see exactly how much you will earn when somebody joins under you. So can you see why it's so important to have these pages with you the whole time? If you've got this, you will not ask questions and have to ask questions the whole time, because you will have the answers in front of you. Okay, because none of us are going to remember everything. That's why we've got books and reference places. All right. So that's the first way to earn from your brand partner. The next way is the level earning bonuses. This bit gets a little bit interesting with all the changes that's been happening. But where do you see level earning bonuses? Page 1 on the bottom. Right. Can you see that? Okay. Now, this is my older one. I don't know if the new ones were updated yet, but it's a, let's say, promotion enhancement. I don't know, but they said they're going to run it like this for the next few months. I think it's going to probably become permanent. That's just what I think. I can't say. But in the beginning, when you were a brand partner, if you just look at that page, in the beginning, when you were a brand partner, active brand partner, you got 3%. They changed that to 7%. Okay. And then lots of changes like that came in. But the level earning bonus, so this is now when your brand partner orders the X39, you are going to get 7% of the 77 points of your brand partner's X39. 7% of the 77 points, or how many points? Okay. So every time you can see it, it's very nice to see when somebody ordered, you can immediately see this is my first line and they ordered 77 points and I got this amount. Okay. But this is where you will see how it is. And you'll see once you become a one-star manager, then you start getting an extra percent on your first line and an extra percent on your second line. And this is where the duplication comes in. Now you are getting paid from people that you don't even know, and they ordered. And you can see here, it says 3 levels deep. So it looks like, oh, I only get for the first 3 levels. No. If the person on your second level, for instance, falls out, then the person under them and they order, it moves up as if they are your second level. And not only fall out, if they were not active, if your second level, for instance, weren't active in that month, then they will move up. So the compression happens there on your level earning bonuses. Okay. And then the third one is your binary bonuses, guys, on this next page. Binary bonuses. And this starts happening once you are a 3-star manager. Okay. And this is, I'm not going to go into detail now. I'll show you a little bit later on. This is when, remember, we've got 2 legs, left leg, right leg, and we've got a certain amount of points on everybody on your left leg and everybody on your right leg. And this is where you start getting extra percentages on that. So what do we want to do? We definitely want to become a 3-star manager. Okay. The great news is that was released this week. There used to be a requirement that you had to have one person in your line, downline, that needed 1,000 points on their own. So even if you had 1,000 people and they all had 10 points, that didn't count. You needed one person that needed 1,000 points before you could become a 3-star manager. That's been taken away. All you need now is total volume. So what that means is if you are a 2-star manager, work to become a 3-star manager, because you open up a bigger amount of income. For me, that's where my biggest income comes from, is from that binary bonus. Okay. Right. Okay. So you've opened up product introduction bonus, level earning bonuses, and binary bonus. Not going to talk about that others, but also you've got brand partners under you, you can qualify for incentive trips. Okay, because you get, I think, I don't remember every time, every incentive trip is different, but let's say you get 2 points when somebody joins as core, and you get 4 points when somebody joins as advanced under you. And when you've got a certain amount of points in a certain amount of time, you can go to Bahamas or Dubrovnik or wherever. So it's really, really awesome. And we see that happening in our team. All right. So let's talk again. One-star manager with brand partners. What is needed? I'm just going to run quickly through this again. You need 75 points, personal volume. Remember, that's your volume plus your customers, plus 750 qualified downline volume. And now, how are we going to do it with brand partners? This is an example. It's not a comparison at the moment with the points from preferred customers, but this is one way. There are many, many different ways. Just for clarity and for ease of explaining it, we are going to say that you are going to order 2 X39s, okay? Because you like it, your husband likes it, your wife likes it, so you're going to order 2 X39s, or it could be you, 1 X39 and a preferred customer that's got an X39. But let's say you bought 2 X39s, and you need 75 points as a manager. 55 points needs to be active. Don't know what I did here. I think, so I'll just get back. I don't know what I did. So you see, I said it was for dummies. So let's see, next one. All right. Okay. So here's just an explanation how it looks. So you are going to buy 2 X39s. It's going to give you 154 points. And your advanced person, you're going to have 2 advanced people. The one is going to be, both of them are going to get 300 points. Okay. And 300 points, because that's the amount of points that you get as an advanced person under you. So how can you earn with them? You've got 2 advanced persons joining under you. Remember, now you're going to get the product introduction bonus. For advanced person, remember, we're going to see it there. How many points are you going to get? Dollars you're going to get? $75 each. So you're going to get $150 there. Remember what you need for a manager, your personal volume needs to be 75, but you ordered 2 X39s of 77 points. So you've already got the 154 points. And then the qualifying downline volume that you need is 750 points. You got 2 people on advanced, each 300 points. So that's 600 points plus your 154 points, your own. So your total is 754. So do you qualify as a manager? Yes, you've got the 75 and the 750, right? Now, remember we said level earning bonuses, okay? As a one-star manager, if you look on that, a one-star manager now earns 7% of your 600 business volume. It works out at $42. Okay. 7 times 600, $42. Right? Okay. So what are you going to earn? $150 as the product introduction bonus and $42 from your level earning bonus. Okay, 192. So do I qualify to be a one-star manager? Yes, because you had your 75 points plus, you had your QDV of 750. Now you're going to get the business launch bonus for the 9 weeks. Get the extra $25. And if it's still, guys, go for it, because you're going to get $50 up to the end of July. That's going to be wonderful. Right. So how much can you earn? $192 plus your $25 from the business launch bonus, 4340. Okay. That is as one-star manager. Now, how do you become a two-star manager? You just double what you did, because for a two-star manager, you need 75 points and 1,500 points. So what do you have to do? Just do it again. Just add 2 more people. Just do it again. You are now going to build your team, but now you are going to be rewarded from their efforts, because on that 1,500 points, it's not just from people that you joined. It's what the people under you joined as well. So if your person that you joined under advanced now adds 2 people under them, all those points counts towards you. And what did you do? You didn't speak to new people. You just supported your people in your team. So that is how you become a 2-star manager. How do you become a 3-star manager? Just keep on doing it again, over and over and over, the duplication, right? Remember Colonel Sanders? 1,000 people that said no, just went on and on. Okay, so because now as a 3-star manager, remember, you are going to start tapping into the binary. Second page, into the binary. What are you going to get as a 3-star manager? On the old pages, it says 5%, but even here they changed it to 8%. And after that, you're going to get 10%, right? On all those points, what's important, it's going to be 8% on your pay leg. I don't want to confuse the issue here. It's your weakest leg. You've got a left leg and a right leg. Whichever points are the weakest points, your lowest points of the two, you will now get 8% or later on 10% of the lowest points. Okay, your weakest leg, your pay leg. All right. So once again, you're going to build your team so that you can get rewarded from their efforts, their orders, their sales, and their downlines. Right. Once again, just want to show, so you are here, you've got somebody on your left, somebody on your right, and they've got lots of people under them and under them and under them, the same on the right side. And this is where the binary bonus comes in. You get a percentage of all these points. Not going to go into that, but the points don't only come from your downlines, they actually come from your uplines. So let's say this person here, let's say it's John. Okay, John now joined on a certain date on the 1st of the month, and he joins another person under him. Okay, but on the 3rd of the month, I join somebody on that same leg. Those points will go to John as well. And you will get 8% or 10% on those points as well. So now you don't only get points from your downline, but also from your upline. Okay, not going to go into it because that's not the purpose of this discussion. But if you need to have an explanation about that, we can talk about that later on. Right, so what do we want? We want the duplication. If you are serious about building a long-term business, you don't want to work on your own. You want the duplication to happen. John D. Rockefeller said, I don't know, a lot of people say it's different people who said it, but anyway, he said, I would rather earn 1% of 100 people's efforts than earn 100% of my own efforts. Very, very important. Okay, so what's the best option? Guys, we are business builders. Everybody needs to decide for themselves what they would like to do. You take in all the information you can. Everybody feels different. I do things in my way. Kim does it in a different way. Bonnie does it in a different way. Chris Hutting does it in one way. And Mill does it in a different way. It's up to us. Knowledge is power. Get the information and make an informed decision for yourself. And your personality, my personality, and Trish's personality is different. Our goals are different. How we talk to people is different. How we feel about the future is different. You decide for yourself, but this is my opinion. I like to start people off as preferred customers because I feel that way they just get a chance to get their feet into it, just get a way of feeling the company, the business, the patches. And then the moment that they are ready to really run with this business, I then join them as brand partners because then they've got that 9 weeks window with what they can really run with. And also get them then to do their first business launch. And remember, this business launch bonus got nothing to do with you putting somebody on a Zoom call and inviting people. They don't know. Obviously, the system doesn't know whether you did a business launch or not. But doing a business launch, I mean, Kim, Trish, Carla can talk about that. Business launch is where you really start your business, is where you really get people, you invite people on a Zoom call. You've got your uplines to help you to start your business. Do it with a bang and make use of that 9 weeks and run with your sponsor. Run with it and make use of the extra $25 and $50 and $100 that you can now get, especially up to July. Right. Yes, and then they can, once let them start on, that's just my feeling, on let's say X39 on a preferred customer. It doesn't cost anything to become a preferred customer. You set your monthly dates on. You can set your next date for 2 months' time. Just get them started, and then you can convert them to start them up as a brand partner and then really run with the business. Right. So my customer is ready to become a brand partner. What now? Right. You're going to get him on your left leg, on your right leg, and you are going to start earning a percentage-based income that grows with the volume generated within your organization. And this is the binary bonus really that we are speaking about. Right. On your back office, you will find an education tab. And under documents, you'll find many videos and PDFs explaining it. I found it very overwhelming in the beginning, but once I printed it out, I really took it page by page, and you can see mine. I've really just made lots of yellow and blue marks and trying to understand what it is. Once you've sorted it out for yourself, then you'll understand and you'll know what the right ways are. Okay, so I just want to quickly go through this on your back office. Your office, where you know what's going on with your business. Backoffice.lifewave.com, you sign in, and I just want to show you. Okay, you will on the left side see, I've blanked this out, but you will see every week the amounts that you earn. So I just left that one in there. So you will, let's just go to the second one, the other ones. With the green, it shows approved. That means there's a 2-week time, 2 weeks that they first audit all the amounts and all the volumes and everything. Once they've ordered it and they decide this is what you have earned, it will say approved, okay? And that means the money now sits in your e-wallet. And remember, e-wallet is like an international bank. It's got nothing to do sort of with LifeWave. It's a separate company. It's not LifeWave. E-wallet is not LifeWave. E-wallet is a bank. And they've got lots of things about they've got lots of rules, but it's right because it's a bank. They need to double check that you are who you say you are. But anyway, so the money will go lie in your e-wallet until it's green. It will just say projected. The money will be there, but you won't be able to draw on it, nothing, because it must still be audited. But once it says it's green and it's approved, an easy way to see how much money you've got in your e-wallet is if you go here. Usually there's a picture there in your name, it's your profile. You click on there, you say view profile, and, not view, change profile, and then click on payment methods. And if you page down, you can see exactly how much money is lying in your e-wallet. If it's in your e-wallet, you can use it as spend back, which means that you can place an order of any of your patches and you can buy directly from the spend back. You don't have to first pay it into your South African bank and then buy it from there again. So, but that is where you can see is there on your profile. That's the one thing. Yeah, on the right-hand side, you can see when is your next order due date so that you can stay active. Do not go inactive, because on this one with the binary bonus, you've got all those points. If you go inactive, you lose all those points. If you've got 50,000 points and you go inactive, you lose it. You cannot get it back. So make sure that you look at this next order due date and that you know that you order before the next date. Just put an automatic order in, just makes it much easier. You don't have to stress about that. And then also your renewal date, once a year, you're going to pay your renewal fees. Right, so that is there. Oh my gosh, what happened now? Are you seeing? Okay, don't know what happened.
We can see the PowerPoint. There we go.
Okay, thanks. All right. I think I've got it seems like it's a day of glitches, but okay. All right, here's all the circles, and you can see how you can grow. This is a 1-star director on their way to the next 2-star director, and here you can see all your points. If you're not sure how it works, just click on that. It will explain it. It's actually very nice to see what you need. At the moment, it's not showing correctly because of the changes. They told us it's going to take a little while, but this is where you can see. And if you click here, view all your commissions, you can see all your commissions, how it was set up with this 9 different ways. It won't show everything. It will only show those that you have or that you have earned. And then use these to see if it says level earning bonus and it's like, what does that mean? click on it, see what it goes. If you see there, you can actually see who ordered, how many you are. This is your first line. You got 7%. This is the amount that you got from it. It's very, very nice to see that. Okay, so I want to say thank you for watching this training, and go out, change lives. And we are here not just for ourselves, not just to earn an income. We are here to change lives. And that is really, I think, what's so nice in our group as well, is that we really care about people. So let's go out. If you've got any questions, we're going to stop the recording now. We're going to ask, but if you're watching this recording later on, please ask your upline. If your upline is busy, if they can't help you, or if they don't know, ask me. If I don't know, we'll ask the uplines. Ask on the groups. I think the questions about earning, ask on the Business Builders group, because the LifeWave support group is really for our customers, and we don't want to confuse them with a lot of questions about money and things like that. But the Business Builders group, you can really feel free to ask any questions, and we'll help each other there. So let me just stop the recording, and I want to say thank you to everybody listening. It was very nice when I spoke to see, okay, guys, you're looking down, so hopefully you'll understand now to really look on your 9 ways to earn. So let me just stop the recording, and then we'll go on to the question and answer session.